네.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Transylvania County in western North Carolina, northwestern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles north of Walla, or 5 miles west of Devil's Fork State Park, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Devil's Fork State Park around 3:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jocassee Gorges, Lake Jocassee, Keowee-Tuckaway State Park, Lake Keowee and Gorges State Park around 3:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Table Rock State Park and Caesars Head State Park around 3:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Sunset, Pumpkin Town, Sassafras Mountain, Rocky Bottom, and Cedar Mountain. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A brief, weak tornado is likely. Mobile homes could be flipped. Falling trees can cause death or serious injury and major
네.